Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Keep It Simple. So today we will do geometry problem. This is CAT 2017 slot 2 question. Please read the question, and if you want to give a try, then please pause the video and solve it. After that, match the answer. Let ABCDEF be a regular hexagon with each side of length 1 centimeter. The area of a square with AC as one side is. So we have to find the area of the square whose side is AC. How to do this? Let's see. So first we'll draw a hexagon. It is given that this hexagon is regular, so its all sides and the interior angle will be equal. So we will solve this problem in 2 to 3 ways. Whichever you find easy, you can go for that. So this is our hexagon A, B, C, D, E and F. It is given that side of hexagon is 1 centimeter each. So each side is 1 centimeter. And we have to find the area of the square whose side is AC. So once we will find this AC length, so area of the square will be AC square. So main task is to find the length of AC. So how to solve this? Since we know that this is our regular hexagon, so we will solve this by first method 1 as we will take this triangle ABC. So how to calculate this angle B? So as we know that this n represent the number of sides of a polygon, which is equal to 6 since it is hexagon. And we know that this exterior angle, this is called as theta. This can be calculated by theta is equal to 360 by number of side n, which is equal to 6. So it is 60 degree. So once we calculated this theta is equal to 60 degree, we can easily calculate this interior angle ABC, which is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120. So this angle is 120. So ABC is a triangle where AB and BC is equal. So opposite sides make equal angle. We know this concept, right? So remaining angle is 60. Divide that 60 into 2 equal half, which will be equal to 30, and this is also 30. So now we have a triangle ABC in which AB length is given 1, BC length is given 1, and we have to calculate this AC length. So let's consider that length as x. So method 1 is that we will apply sine rule. We know sine rule, right? Its formula is A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. So A, B, C, where small a, small b, small c represents the length of sides of triangle, and capital A, capital B, capital C represents the angle. So let this is be A, B and C. So 1 by sine A means angle opposite to this side is sine 30. B as 1 by angle opposite to this is sine 30. C is x by angle opposite to this is sine 120. So by equating these two, we'll get x value. How? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2. So 2 will come up in numerator is equal to xy. Sine 120 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2, 2 will come up in numerator, 2 get cancelled, so x is equal to root 3. And next is AC. So side and AC represent the sides of a square whose area we need to find. So area is equal to side square, which is x square, that implies root 3 square. So area of that triangle is area of that square is 3 square unit. Now we will look the same problem in different approach. We will solve by method 2, right? So method 2, we will draw that triangle ABC, and since we know this is 30, this is 30, this is 120. So again we are going to solve this same problem in different method. So in this method we will apply this area concept. So how to calculate the area of the triangle when side and angle is given? Again consider this as x centimeter and this 1 is given. So this formula is half AB sine theta, where A and B is side length and theta is the angle between this AB side. So let's calculate the area by using this AB and BC side. So half into AB length is 1, BC length is 1 into angle between AB and BC is sine 120 is equal to this area of the triangle is equal to the same area of triangle, but we will calculate in different way by using this x and 1 as a side. Half side as 1 into x into sine 30. This 2 get cancelled. Sine 120 is root 3 by 2 is equal to sine 30 is 1 by 2. This x we will write. So 2 get cancelled. That implies x is equal to root 3 centimeter. So area of square will be root 3 square, which is equal to 3 square centimeter. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.